All right, you've got 3 spotters that come with your kit. The first one is Defense Spotter. Defense Spotter is our most used type of spotter. Number of different types of stains you can address with this, everything from food stains, beverage stains, iodine, blood, latex, paint, grass stains, a lot of different stuff. So you want to do an inspection of the carpet prior to putting your pre-spray down. And you can even ask the customer if they've got any stains. Most of the time they'll have seen those, and you can address those prior to getting started on your basic clean. It's also a good product that we have available in bulk, where you can have them in separate bottles. It's a really nice added value thing that you can do for your clients. Leave them a bottle of spotter. It'll actually help you if they're an ongoing carpet cleaning customer to, they can blot those up themselves, and you can teach them real quick how to keep their carpets looking great. So you can also on those bottles put your label on the bottom of it, so every time they open up their cupboard they see your brand name there with your logo, and they have your phone number, so anytime they have a question, need to get in contact with you, they have that information. But to put this down, basically you want to apply the product, don't dilute it, just apply it directly. Use a clean spotting brush and tamp the spot. And so to do that, you always want a clean towel and your tamping brush that comes in your kit. You don't want to usually with stains scrub to give agitation. A lot of times we'll drive that stain deeper into the carpet and spread it. So after you've applied it, you're going to put the towel over the top and tamp it or tap the top. And what that will do is grab that stain, pull it into the towel. That's what we're trying to do. Once that's all done, you want to press on it to absorb all that in there. Move to a dry part of the towel and press on that to absorb all of that, the Defense Spotter and the stain into the towel. And repeat if necessary. All right, soon to be check that out. The next one that we have is your rust remover. All right, rust remover is, it's a different type of acid. It's not super strong, so it's not going to harm the carpet. First thing you want to do is test the fabric. All right, any of these spotters or any specialty spotting kits, you always want to test in an inconspicuous area to see for color fastness. All right, sometimes different types of fabrics, even on upholstery and so forth, they may not have the same color fastness, meaning it can bleed once you put some of these products down. So inconspicuous area to test. Basically you use it full strength, just like the other one. Give it about 5 minutes of dwell time for the rust remover to work. You want to thoroughly rinse the area with water when you're done doing that. So again, addressing some of these problems before you're doing your cleaning, and once you're done you can actually rinse all of that stuff out before you get your cleaning started. POG is a solvent-based product, okay, and that's for paint, oil, and grease. You've got more stubborn stains than your Defense Spotter can handle, and it's a paint, oil, or grease. Next thing you want to try is your POG. Don't dilute it. Use it directly out of the container. Again, inconspicuous area for a test to make sure that the color fastness, we're not going to have any bleeding. Apply it to the area, and you're going to use your same tamping procedure again. Apply it to the area, put the towel over the top, tamp it, all right, to pull and draw that stain up into the towel. Blot it once you're done to absorb as much of that solvent as possible, and to ensure that there's no residue, you want to make sure and use a quality detergent like your BioClean to rinse that out. Again, this is a solvent-based product, so we definitely want to rinse that out with a little bit of cleaning agent before you get going. A lot of guys make a big living out of removing the stains that other people can't. These are your basic spotters that come with your kit, but we also have available, and you'll see a separate video on the spotting kit for getting to more stubborn stains, and they got a series of different type of chemical that are in there and specific processes to remove those. So to provide all of the services that your customer may need, if you want to get into carpet and take it to the next level, you want to go ahead and get the professional spotting kit.